Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to share live location on WhatsApp. So let's get started. What you need to do is open up your WhatsApp. Now you're going to choose the exact person you want to share your live location with. Then go to this button. You're gonna save location. Click on location. Maybe you're in where someone you want to know where you are. You want to people to find you. Just click on share live location. You click on continue. You can see is it for 1 minute, just 15 minutes, and click on send, and you're going to see that I'm going to, you can see, so automatically I've sent my location to that person. You can see, so it's going to find me where I am currently. So it's very easy to find someone, let people find you where you are very fast. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.